Hello and welcome to the Sewing Studio. Today is episode 4 of our mini-series. Our mini-series is a weekly episode telling you what you can do with a pack of mini charms. And today I've made this quilt which measures 36 by 42, ideal size for a baby's playmat. And this uses 2 packs of mini charms. The centre piece measures 20.5 by 14.5. We've got 2 packs of mini charms which we've joined together into one row which is 10 pairs, another row here which is 10 pairs. So I'll show you how I've done this and I'll show you how we put it together. So we have 2 rows of 10 pairs and then we have 1 row of 11 pairs, and I'll show you how that fits together in a moment. And then for our borders we have 2 pieces measuring 28.5 by 7.5 and 2 pieces measuring 36.5 by 7.5. And when I put it all together, because I've used the mini charms, which are called Jungle Paradise, I thought I'd quite like to do some quilting, which looks like bark. So I've literally taken the sewing machine with a straight walking foot and just gone like that with the quilt under the machine. And then I've done it fairly close together. So some are wider, some are narrower. And I think I can safely say that I've almost achieved the look of bark. And then I've put a binding bright pink to pick up this lovely shocking pink just to finish it off. And I've used the grey on the back as well. So you can see the quilting on there. And as you can tell by the way I keep moving my hand over it, I'm really quite pleased with this quilting. So anyway, we're going to go over to the machine now and I'm going to show you how we're going to join our mini charms to our centre rectangle. So we're now going to join our first row of squares that we've put together. So we've got 10 by 2 and we're going to join that to our background piece of fabric, our centre rectangle. So again, 1/4 inch seam, and you've just got to be careful that you keep all your little flat seams down as you're doing this sewing. So we're just going over to the iron now to press that. So I'm just going to press this back. And then what we would do is we would put our next row of 10 lots of 2 on that side. And when we've done that, then our bigger row, which is 11 lots of 2, would fit. So imagine if you've got another one of those there, then this would fit and you would have the same at the top. So that would give you, I'll show you back on the original one, that would give you this centre done like this. And then you would join your 28.5 by 7.5 either side of that, and then you would do your 36.5 by your 7.5. And then when you've done your quilting, however you've chosen to do it, you would put your binding on to complete the quilt. And that is how you make a mini quilt using mini charms. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of our episodes in our mini series. As always, have fun, and I look forward to seeing you next time here in the sewing studio.